So I put this entire analysis in my Skillshare course. I'm doing a Skillshare course on Fibonacci. Well, I already did it. I already published it today. But I'm not going to give you guys the entire game here. But what I will do is tell you real quickly what I was thinking and what was going on here. I just I kind of identified the previous move, understanding what the fib was looking like on that one, used those assumptions to build a second fib, used it to build a extended fib as well, and ended up where we are now. If you want the details of how I got here, go check out the Skillshare course. You can get 2 months for free, of course, and it'll be nice for everybody involved. In the meantime, I've got this queued up for a very big 2.45 on this trade. 100% automated. I'm not about to touch it or try to manage it or anything. I'm just going to let it ride. Stop is aggressive as hell, but I did it for a reason. Yeah, I did that for a reason. So, anyways, that's what I got, guys, and I'll catch y'all soon. Peace.